Yes, guys. Yesterday, 2-3 points that I have discussed related to your multiple angles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one point already we proved related to sine. Once again, I'm going to recall that is sine 2a. Even we can also call it as sine 2 theta. So it is 2 sine theta cos theta. It is one formula which we proved in the previous class. And if you want, you can write the same sine 2 instead of theta. We can take a, that is better. 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, 2 tan a divided by, in terms of tan, 1 plus tan square a. This is the first point I proved in the previous class, right? And the second point, just I have written the formula, but we did not discuss anything related to this. Cos 2a formula, cos 2a. So 3-4 formulas I have given related to cos 2a. The first and foremost thing, which is one of the most important formula, cos square a minus sine square a. Even I have written this as 1 minus 2 sine square a. If you want, you can write this cos 2a in terms of only in terms of the sine, and if you want, you can write in terms of just in cos 2 cos square a minus 1, and it is also we can write it in terms of tan 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So total 4 parts are there for cos 2a. That's based upon the situation given question. I can use any one of these 4 formulas. And even we can discuss these 4 formulas, how we can get just by using only one. And tan 2a, it is the direct formula. We don't have anything for this. That is 2 tan a divided by 1 plus, it is for sine. But if you are taking 1 minus in denominator, it is for tan square a, right? As I said, even the first one we proved, and the second one, the first part, this is we are going to take, right, guys? This is you have to remember cos 2a formula. That's you have to remember. And from this cos function, cos square a minus sine square a, the rest of the two I can deduce the rest of the 2 parts. Sir, what about the tan? You can replace just a tan with sine by cos. You will get the first equation, no problem. Okay. Let us see what we can write. Cos 2a, cos 2a, I can write it as cos square a minus sine square a. This is the first part, already you know that. Now, what I can write, cos square a, we can keep as it is, minus sine square a. Can I write this as 1 minus cos square a? Because sine square plus cos square is equal to how much? Sine square
Tan
a
square, sir.
plus cos square
Tan
a
square.
is equal to
Tan
sine square a plus cos square a is equal to the first identity.
tan
One.
square, sir.
It is 1. It is 1. We proved also by using Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle, right? We proved in the first class
Right
itself,
square
first
theta
or
plus
second
cos square
class.
theta is equal to 1.
Yes, right? So in place of this sine square, because I need to take only in terms of cos. So we can write it as what? Cos square a minus 1 minus of minus cos square a. Is it cos square a plus cos square a is how much? 2 cos square a minus 1? It is 2 cos square a minus 1. That means the third part, it is completed. And in the next part, what is asking? Same, but instead of cos square minus sine square, we require only in terms of the sine. Cos square, what I can write, is it 1 minus sine square a? In place of cos square, what I can write? 1 minus sine square a minus, already we have sine square a. This is equal to 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a. 1 minus 2 times of sine square a. As I said, to reduce this tan cos 2a, what we can write? You can take it as just a sine divided by cos. Tan means what? Sine by cos. You can get the first equation. That is the third part what I have given to you. If you want, you can see 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus.
Can you repeat it? I didn't understand.
Where you have not understand?
From the starting, sir.
You have to remember this part, sine square plus cos square.
Okay, sir.
So third part, this is I'm going to prove. I mean, no sine will be there. In place of sine, I can replace sine with the cos. So this sine, you can keep on left-hand side. This cos will be on right-hand side. I'll get sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Replace sine square a with 1 minus cos square a. Multiply with minus sign, minus 1, minus of minus plus cos square. So we have 2 times of cos, so I can write 2 cos square a minus 1. Similarly, the second part, no cos will be there. Only I can write in terms of the sine. Same formula I'm going to use. What is meant by cos square? Take sine square on right hand side, 1 minus sine square a. So here sine square a, 2 sine square a. And the third part, what I'm telling, it is also equivalent to tan. Sir, how it is equivalent to tan? Let us see. You know that tan means, is it sine by cos? Yes, it is sine divided by cos. You can take sine square a divided by cos square a. By denominator again, 1 plus, what is meant by tan square? Sine square a divided by cos square a. None of proofs are not required for us, only for few you can have an idea how to get these. Let us take LCM here, cross multiplication, numerator, cos square a minus sine square a divided by cos square a. And what is meant by denominator function? Again, let us take cross multiplication for denominator part. Cos square a plus sine square a divided by cos square a. Divided by cos square a. If you are observing, cos square a cancel. And you know that sine square plus cos square is equal to how much? It is 1. Yes. So what I am getting overall? I am getting only cos square a minus sine square a. Is it the cos 2a formula? Yes, it is cos 2a. I mean, if you want, you can write only in terms of sine, only in terms of cos, only in terms of tan, or by means of sine and cos. The 4 formulas are having for cos 2a function, cos 2a. Hope you can understand these 3 points. Similarly, you can derive for tan also. By making use of just a sine divided by cos, sine 2a by cos 2a will get tan function. The proof is
Sir,
not.
can you explain once again?
Where? Which function?
Sir, you explained in the blue color, no sir, blue color and green color.
I mean, which part, Nana? Proofs are not necessary. You remember, proofs are not necessary. That's I'm telling once again. The proofs are not necessary. You have to note only first 3 points. This side I have given 1, 2, and 3. Right? If you want, you can verify by taking the values in place of A. Put A is equal to something and you can verify left-hand side and right-hand side values. Will satisfy. Like yesterday, we proved for sine function by taking 30 degrees and even for 0 also.
Sir,
Kulkarni, yes.
sir, third point, 1 minus tan square on that one can explain again.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. What is meant by tan? Tan means what we can write. What is meant by tan theta? Is it sine theta by cos theta or not? Have you remember or forgot the previous classes? It is sine theta by cos theta. Tan square means I can write sine square by cos square. It is sine square theta by cos square theta. Take LCM. You know that how to take the LCM in numerals. Number system concept we have completed. We are taking an LCM. So cos square minus sine square by cos square. Similarly, denominator LCM, cos square plus sine square by cos square. So denominator cos squares will get cancelled. And I know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. I'll get only this part, numerator part. The rest of the parts cancelled and this tending to 1, as I have written the formula here highlighted. Right? So cos square plus sine square is how much? I can replace cos square plus sine square with 1. And this cos square A will get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. I'll get only the numerator part. The 3 points, even yesterday, the first point I proved by taking an examples also, by putting some value in place of theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we can go for the problems related to this concept. Let's have the discussion of a few of the problems related to this concept. Just make a note of these points.
Sir, can you explain that 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus
This
tan
is
square
not necessary. I am repeating again. You have to remember only the formulas. At this level, it is not necessary. Proofs are not necessary.
means
You
we
have to
not
remember the
write that-
formulas.
We have to not write that, sir, in our notes.
No, not you can just make a note of these 1, 2, 3 points. How you are getting just only for the sake of understanding purpose. I mean, for everywhere, just I'm writing the formula. Just keep on writing the formulas. Sometimes it is difficult to remember. So if you want, you can see how we are getting this. This is third time I'm repeating. If you want, you can take the value in place of A, something you can take and then verify. Left-hand side and right-hand side values must be same as we proved in the previous class, last class. I have verified for sine 2a function. We'll have the questions related to this concept. Similar points that I'm going to take. First example. Example number 1. Sine theta plus cos theta will be given as 1. Then find the value of sine 2 theta. What is the value of sine 2 theta? The options will be given as it is 1. Second option will be given as 0. The third option will be given as 1 divided by 2. The fourth option will be given as minus 1. Let us see what he has given. And you should be perfect in all the formulas what we have discussed in the previous classes. Then only you can able to solve this question. The synopsis what I have given in the previous classes. You know that what is meant by sine 2 theta. Just now I have given 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2 theta formula is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. This is ultimately he is asking, guys. And what is the given condition? This is the given condition. Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to something. You know that whenever addition is given to you, to get this term as product, you can squaring on both sides. I can make use of the formula a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Let us see. Let us see here. 2ab product will be getting here. Squaring on both sides for the given function sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to, right side is 1 square. Just squaring on both sides of given equation. Sir, why you are squaring? Let us observe. Because he is asking the product. This is the requirement for us. 2 times of sin theta cos theta. When I'll get the product? When I square on both sides. By making use of a plus b whole square formula. So when I'm expanding this a plus b whole square, is it sin square theta plus b square plus 2 times of a b, 2 sin theta cos theta. What is right side value? Is it 1 or not? 1 square means it is 1. As you know, sin square plus cos square is how much? Just now we used. It is 1 plus, what is meant by 2 sin theta cos theta? Is it sin 2 theta formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta is equal to 1. So from this, sin 2 theta is equal to, this 1 will be on right hand side, 1 minus 1. Your answer is just 0. Once again, see, sir, how we can approach. Sum is given, he is asking the product. A plus B is given, he is asking A into B. When you will get A into B? Only when we squaring on both sides of this relation. We can squaring on both sides of this relation. Right? So when I'm squaring on both sides, a square plus b square, this is tending to 1. This value is already 1. We proved also. 2ab means 2 into sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. This is the formula for sin 2 theta is equal to 1. This 1 will be on right hand side. You will get sin 2 theta as a 0. According to your options, option 2 will give the correct answer for the given question. Next problem. Number 2. Cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees plus sin square 30 degrees. Or you can write this is 60, sin square 60 degrees is equal to how much? The question is very simple. Cos square 30 minus sin square 30, cos square 60 plus sin square 60. It is 1, first option. Second option, 1 by 2. Third option, 3 divided by 2. Fourth option is just a 0. These are the options he has given. You can make use of the identities, or if you want, you can substitute the values from the table. That is your choice.
Sir?
Yes.
Option 3.
Sir, I got the
Option 3, sir. Third option.
Third option.
3, sir. Third option.
3 by
3.
2.
3 by 2. Very good. Your answer is 3 by 2. It is, if you want, you can make use of the formulas or identities. That is your choice. If you want, you can substitute the values directly. So I can make use of the identities. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos of 2 theta. Cos of 2 theta plus cos square 60 plus sin square 60 value is 1. This is equal to cos 60 plus 1. Cos 60 value is how much? 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Your answer is just 3 divided by 2. That is third option will give the correct answer. Sir, I don't want to use, I forgot to usage of these two identities. Yes, you can go for the substitution of the given values. Substitute cos 60 whole square, cos 30 whole square, sin 30 whole square. Already you know the values. You can substitute directly. Next, problem number 3. Sin theta will be given as -4 divided by 5, comma, theta belongs to quadrant number 3, third quadrant. Then find the value of, then cos 2 theta is equal to how much? Sin theta is given to you. He is asking cos 2 theta. Hope you can get the answer for this question. How to do this, guys? Any idea? Booksing.
Sir, still doing, sir.
Harshavardhan, 111.
Sir, 7 by 25.
7 by 25. Only one. Okay. Harshavardhan got just one is its answer. Just one.
Sir, 7 by 25.
7 by 25.
By 25. Minus 7 by 25.
Yeah, guys, cos 2 theta is given. We have total 4 formulas. So which formula can be used? 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Am I correct? 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Can we write this formula? Can we use this formula? Because I know the value of sine theta here. Hope you can understand my point. 1 minus 2 sine squared theta.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? This is equal to 1 minus 2 into sine theta value already he has given -4 divided by 5 whole square. This is already given. Sine theta value is already given. Not necessary to use the right angle triangle or cos 2 theta will be in terms of cos square theta minus that's entire part is not necessary. First, you can observe the formulas what he has given. 1 minus 2 into 16 divided by 25. Take LCM. Here you will get 25 minus 16 into 2, 32 divided by 25. As you said, minus 7 by 25 is the correct answer for the given question. Sir, I don't want to use this concept. I can make use of this as what? By taking right angle triangle. Yes, you can apply. You will get the same answer. If I'm applying the right angle triangle, I'll get this as a theta. Sin theta is given as 4 divided by 5 and this must be 3. Right? Cos 2 theta means what? Cos 2 theta is equal to the direct general formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is equal to cos theta means 3 divided by 5 whole square minus sin theta means 4 divided by 5 whole square. That is 9 divided by 25 minus 16 divided by 25. We'll get the same answer. 9 minus 16 minus 7 divided by 25. Sir, I don't want to use this formula. I can make use of only in terms of cos. Yes, you can write 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 into 3 by 5 whole square minus 1. You will get the same answer. Problem number 4. You have to keep in mind all the properties, all the formulas what I have given to you. If you are using frequently if you are using Those formulas, then only you can able to remember. Okay. Even
Sir?
for few of the things I proved also. Yes, please.
Sir, in the green color rating, 1 by 2 or 16 by 25, no, sir.
16 by 25.
In the next line, how did it come 25 minus 32 by 25?
Taking of LCM. What is an LCM here?
25, sir.
25. To make this as 25, you can multiply and divide with 20. 25 by 25. In the next step, what I'm going to do, I'll get 25 divided by 25 minus 1. Can we write 25 by 25? 16 into 2, 32 by 25. 25 is a common denominator. Numerator 25 minus 32. Clear? Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Tan theta is given. Next problem. A divided by B. If tan theta is equal to A by B, then is asking B cos 2 theta plus A sin 2 theta is equal to how much? Your options are here. You have to, I'm repeating again, you have to revise the formulas. The three formulas I have given to you. The three formulas, that is sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Make use of those formulas. You can able to get the answer for this question. B divided by A. These are the four options he has given. Tan theta is given. He is asking B cos 2 theta plus A sin 2 theta. Hopefully we'll get the answer for this question. And if once you can think over it, and then you can proceed, guys. Any idea? Any idea?
Sir, I am doing, sir.
Yes. Just 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. We have tan theta. And he's asking cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. Hope you'll get the answer for this question. B into cos 2 theta.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, we will do.
Yes, sin 2 theta. This is what he is asking.
Sir, sin is equal to A and cos is equal to B, no, sir.
Not like that. We have the formulas directly for cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. We have the direct formula. So Harshavardhan given as B option. So let us see the first 3 points. Option B, okay. The formulas, the first 3 formulas I have given. Ranbir also same answer. Shashank, Jayvardhan C. You got different answer, Jayvardhan. And Yashwant, okay. Yashwant also different answer. Shrestha B. Samir, Goop Singh, Tunesha,
Doing, sir.
Harshal, Avani, Haima, Vardhan, Kushal and Kanchan, Avinash, yes, please, let's see. It is a simple concept. You know that cos 2 theta means what I can write in terms of tan, because he has given tan. So you can make use of multiple angles in terms of tan only. I can write it as 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Plus A into, what is meant by sin 2 theta? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus
1 plus tan square
tan
theta.
square theta. Yes. Both the functions sin and cos, we people have written in terms of tan only. So what is an LCM here? Denominator, is it 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. Numerator value B into 1 minus tan square theta plus A, already it is outside, 2 tan theta. Now you can substitute tan theta value. What is tan theta here? A divided by B. This is equal to B into, be careful here what I am writing. Tan theta means A divided by B, but square is there. You can take square. Plus A is outside, 2 into, what is tan theta? A divided by B. You can take A divided by B. Denominator 1 plus A divided by B whole square. And taking of LCM, simple calculations are there. You can do, guys. How we are doing the numerator part? Take LCM in bracket. I'll get B square minus A square divided by B square. LCM. Next, plus 2A into A, 2A square divided by B. Similarly, the denominator, take LCM, B square plus A square divided by B square. One B will get cancelled. This B and then B will get cancelled. This is equal to, from numerator, B is an LCM. B square minus A square plus 2A square divided by B square. From numerator, B square is an B is an LCM. Denominator, B square plus A square divided by B square. You must have the patience to listen this type of questions. Only B will get cancelled. One B will get cancelled, guys. This B and then B cancel. Or I'll do this point in the next step. You cannot cancel this B square and B square. You cannot cancel. If there is a common value, you can cancel. So minus A square plus 2A square means you will get B square plus A square, that is in the numerator part, divided by B. So can we take its reciprocal? B square divided by B square plus A square. So
Sir,
B square
can you
plus A
explain
square.
that step once again?
So here what I'm going to get, b square minus a square plus 2a square. Is it a square? So I'll get a square plus b square. See here, b square plus a square divided by b. And denominator,
Sir,
it will comes
having negative symbol, no, sir.
2a square minus a square, how much? Plus a square. 2a square
Okay,
minus
sir.
a square. It is a square
Yes.
divided by b. And the denominator function, can we take its reciprocal? It will become b square by b square plus a square. B square plus a square, b square plus a square cancel. And 1b is also cancel. You will get just b is the required answer. The taking of LCM, everything that you can do, guys, because these are the simple calculations that we are doing, like the numerals, the number system, how we are doing, how we are taking the LCM. Same thing we are going to take for alphabets also. Only the thing is that cos and sine, we are taking the formula in terms of the tan. That's it. If you are observing, I think second option will give the correct answer. It is B. Once again, let us see how we are solving this. So I can write the directive formulas of cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. And what is an LCM? Common value for denominator 1 plus tan square. And after that, I'm substituting tan theta value because already we have tan theta. Tan theta is how much he has given? A divided by B. So you can replace tan theta with the A divided by B. So taking of LCM, simple calculations are there. You can able to get the answer for these questions.
Or can you scroll down?
Yes, please.
Sir, once can you explain the fourth sum? I didn't understand.
Where you not understand?
Sir, that means why did we take b into 1 minus tan square theta plus a of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta?
Here we are taking LCM 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square. Rest of the numerator part I have written directly. 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square common denominator function.
Okay, sir.
We can call it as LCM, and numerator directly have written b into 1 minus tan square plus a into 2 tan theta. These two are the numerator parts. And after that, we have substituted tan theta is equal to a by b. We have substituted a by b. So here in this step, you will get numerator part. What you are going to get? B into, is it 1 minus a square by b square or not? A square by b square plus a into bracket 2a divided by b or not? Yes. In denominator, 1 plus a square by b square or not? And after that, next step, I am taking an LCM. Hope you can understand the next step. Just I have written. This is the next step. B already outside. B square minus a square by b square. So this b and 1b cancel. And 2a into a means 2a square divided by b. Take LCM as b from numerator. Denominator c, b square is there. LCM b square plus a square by b square. Again, these two are the like terms. 2 minus 1 means it is just a square.
Okay, sir.
Next problem. This is the problem for you guys. Cos alpha will be given to you minus 3 by 5. and alpha value belongs to quadrant number 2. Sin beta is given to you 7 divided by 25, and beta is belongs to quadrant number 1. Then find sin of alpha plus beta and tan of alpha plus beta.
Sir, homework, sir?
Yes. And sin of a plus b formula you can apply. Tan of a plus b formula you can apply for this. Next problem.
Thank you, sir.
Next problem. Question number 2. Hope you can understand this, how we can do this. Sin of alpha plus beta, you can distribute it. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Tan of alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. You can able to expand it and try to get the answer by using right angle triangle formula. You can make use of right angle triangle formula and then you can proceed. Right. So the next question, that is from multiple and sub-multiple angle problems. Multiple and sub-multiple angle problems. So we have given as the second one. Two cos square 60 degrees minus 2 sin square 30 degrees is equal to how much? These are the two problems for your
Thank you, sir.
practice. In the next class, we'll try to start with the new chapter,
Okay.
that is the geometry.
Okay, sir.
We are familiar with that concept, geometry. Okay, that's it for today, guys.
Thank you,
We'll
sir. Bye,
continue
sir.
in the next class.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye. Good night. Good night, guys.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye.
Sir?
Good night. Yes,
Sir, I
please.
have a doubt. Sir, that means you wrote no, sir. Is